Still early. 4 robotic stocks that could outperform Nvidia over the next decade. Before we begin, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Markets are risky, and nobody can guarantee future returns. Imagine going back to 2014. Nvidia was just another graphics card company. Amazon was mostly known for selling books online. Tesla was still considered a risky car company. Today, those companies have created trillions of pounds in wealth. Now ask yourself, what if we're standing at that exact moment again? Except this time, it's robotics. Because while everyone is chasing AI software, a much bigger revolution may be happening in the physical world. Factories, hospitals, warehouses, construction sites, restaurants, even your own home. The next decade may not belong only to artificial intelligence. It may belong to the machines that use it. Today, we'll look at 4 robotics companies that many investors believe could become some of the biggest winners of the AI revolution. Let's begin. Section 1. Why robotics is exploding. Artificial intelligence can think, but robots can act. And that's an enormous difference. Companies everywhere face the same problems. Labor shortages, rising wages, aging populations, higher production costs, increasing demand for faster delivery. Businesses aren't replacing workers simply because robots are cheaper. They're doing it because in many industries, they can't find enough workers at all. According to industry estimates, the global robotics market could grow into a multi-trillion-pound industry over the coming decades. Industrial robots, warehouse robots, medical robots, military robots, agricultural robots, humanoid robots. Every one of these sectors is growing rapidly, and AI is making robots smarter every single year. Section 2. Stock number 1. Symbotic, Nasdaq, SYM. The first company is Symbotic. Most people have never heard of it, but some of the world's biggest retailers certainly have. Symbotic builds fully automated warehouse systems. Instead of hundreds of employees moving boxes, their robots do it automatically, using AI, computer vision, and thousands of autonomous robotic vehicles. Their systems can organize inventory far faster than humans. Customers include major retailers that need to move millions of products every day. As online shopping continues growing, warehouse automation could become essential. The opportunity? Every large warehouse around the world. That's an enormous market. Section 3. Stock number 2, Rockwell Automation, NYSEROK. Next comes an older company, Rockwell Automation. Unlike many exciting startups, Rockwell has decades of experience. It provides the brains behind smart factories. Imagine an entire production line, robotic arms, sensors, quality control, conveyor systems, everything communicating together. That's exactly where Rockwell specializes. As manufacturers modernize, Rockwell benefits. It's less exciting than flashy AI companies, but sometimes boring businesses generate extraordinary long-term returns. Section 4. Stock number 3. ABB. ABB is already one of the global leaders in industrial robotics. Its robotic arms build cars, electronics, food products, and pharmaceuticals. The company operates in more than 100 countries. Its robots are becoming increasingly intelligent thanks to AI software. Factories that once needed hundreds of workers can now operate with remarkable efficiency. As manufacturing returns to Europe and North America, automation becomes even more important because labor costs remain high. ABB is positioned directly in that trend. Section 5. Stock number 4. Tesla. Many investors think Tesla is only an electric vehicle company. That may become one of Wall Street's biggest misunderstandings. Tesla is investing billions into Optimus, its humanoid robot. Imagine robots capable of working in warehouses, factories, construction, care homes, restaurants, even inside people's houses. If Elon Musk succeeds, Tesla may become as much a robotics company as a car company. Humanoid robots could eventually become a market worth trillions globally. It's an enormous opportunity, although also one with significant execution risk. The hidden winner. There's another company almost nobody talks about, Nvidia. Wait, Isn't Nvidia already expensive? Yes, but remember something. Every advanced robot needs enormous computing power. Training AI, running AI, computer vision, simulation, autonomous movement. Many of those systems still rely heavily on Nvidia hardware. So even if robotics explodes, Nvidia may continue benefiting indirectly. What could go wrong? Of course, every investment carries risks. Robotics companies face several challenges. Technology develops quickly. Competition is fierce. Some businesses may never become profitable. Governments could introduce regulations. Economic recessions may delay investment. And valuations in AI remain historically high. That's why diversification is essential. Never invest purely because someone on YouTube says a stock could become the next Nvidia. Always research the business yourself. The bigger picture. The real opportunity isn't finding one perfect stock. It's recognizing the megatrend. Just as electricity transformed the 20th century, artificial intelligence and robotics could transform the 21st. Think about where robots may appear next. Hospitals, supermarkets, hotels, airports, agriculture, mining, logistics, shipping, security, even elderly care. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's already happening, and we're probably still in the early innings. Final thoughts? History rewards investors who recognize transformational technologies before they become obvious. Not every robotics company will succeed. Some will fail spectacularly. But a handful could become the next trillion-pound businesses. The question isn't whether robotics will change the world. It's already starting. The real question is, which companies will dominate that future? Those who identify the winners early may benefit the most over the coming decade. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest market insights. Here at Mindful Minds and Money, we break down the biggest stories shaping your financial future without the hype. Tell us in the comments, which robotics company do you believe has the greatest long-term potential? Thank you for watching, stay informed, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.